So hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can grow floating plants very easily and very fastly. So first I took some cocoa peat and some garden soil mix. I put this in this pot, and now let's see what's the next step to grow some floating plants. The next step is I have took some cow dung manure, and now let's like mix this together. Let's put this together. So I have mixed the cow dung and cocoa peat together, and I have poured all of it into this, and I have washed both of the containers. And now the another step we are going to do is a very important step. So because it is a very important step for me, because I'm going to put these containers in my terrace, and if it rains, then all of the floating plants will flow away. That's why I need to poke some holes at the top of the containers. So I will poke the holes and I will meet you guys after that. So I have kept almost equal amount of this solution in both of the containers. Now I'm going to add a little bit of vermicompost in both of these containers. So I've added this vermicompost in both of these containers, and I have mixed it properly. So it's time to fill up the water and add the plants. So I have come to my terrace where I have all my containers, and now let's add some water into this. So the water I'm going to be using is 50% from this pond and 50% I'm going to use the tap water. So yeah, I will meet you guys after filling up the water. So I have added water in both of the containers. Now I'm going to let it be for like 2-3 hours, and after that I'm going to remove all the debris, then add the plant. So I'll meet you guys after 2 hours. So it's been 3 hours since I left these containers to settle down, and I have removed all the debris which was floating in the surface. So now it's time to add the plants. So the plants which I'm gonna add are, the first plant which is going in this container is Zola. So I don't have much of these plants, so that's why I'm trying to cultivate them. So I'll clear out a little bit of water. Put the azolla in the container. Now let's see if I'm gonna be successful to grow this out. Now the second plant which is going in this container is Sagittaria. So I have been keeping the Sagittaria, a lot of Sagittaria in this pond for the past 4-5 days, because I didn't have the container ready. So now I have the container ready. So let's shift the Sagittaria into that pond. But first, let's put it in my net. Collected all the Sagittaria in this net, so let's put them in the container. Added both of the plants in both of the container. Now let's see if I'm successful to grow this out and culture this plant out. So this is it for this video. Bye bye.